Let me show you how to create mask effect in Photoshop. Start by choosing rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle. Hold Alt and drag down to make curved corner. Hold Alt and drag up to make curved corner. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Do the same thing multiple times. Follow this process. Hold Shift and select all of these rectangles. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T and rotate. Now place embedded your photo to Photoshop. Scale it holding the Shift button. Adjust it accordingly. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Adjust its position accordingly. That's it. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorial also.